To track Fifth Third Bank online banking, start by going to the Fifth Third Bank website and clicking on the Login button. Enter your user ID and password in the respective fields and click the Login button to access your account. Once you are logged in, you will see an overview of your accounts, including your checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. You can click on each account to view more detailed information, such as your current balance, recent transactions, and any pending transactions. To track your spending, click on the account you want to view and then click on the Transactions tab. This will show you a list of all your recent transactions, including the date, description, and amount of each transaction. You can also use the search function to find specific transactions by date, amount, or description. To set up account alerts, click on the Alerts tab and then click on the Add Alert button. Choose the type of alert you want to set up, such as a low balance alert or a large transaction alert, and enter the details of the alert. You will receive an email or text message when the alert is triggered. To pay bills online, click on the Pay Bills tab and then click on the Add Payee button. Enter the payee information, including the payee name and account number, and the amount you want to pay. You can also set up recurring payments to automatically pay your bills each month. To transfer money, click on the Transfer Money tab and then click on the Make a Transfer button. Choose the account you want to transfer from and the account you want to transfer to, and enter the amount you want to transfer. You can also set up recurring transfers to automatically transfer money between accounts. To track your accounts on the go, download the Fifth Third Bank mobile app. The app allows you to view your account balances, track your transactions, and pay bills, all from your mobile device. You can also use the app to deposit checks remotely and find Fifth Third Bank ATMs and branches near you. By following these steps, you can easily track your Fifth Third Bank online banking and stay on top of your finances. Remember to always keep your login information secure and monitor your accounts regularly to prevent unauthorized activity.